Santosh Kumar Tripathi. I am chemistry faculty, belong from Varanasi, UP. I am going to teach a topic of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. There are three words: electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophiles are electron deficient species and attacks on aromatic compound gives substitution reaction. Why electrophile do not give addition reaction? Because in addition, aromatic compound loses its aromatic character and destroy its identity. So, electrophile attacks on aromatic compound and gives substitution reaction. Generally, electrophiles attacks on aromatic compound and gives substitution reaction. First step is slow step and for a carbocation next step, first step and attacks by nucleophile give substitution reaction plus HNU. This is general reaction of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Here we see a strong electrophile displaces weak electrophile like hydrogen and gives substitution reaction. For example, we are taking as example nitration of benzene. When benzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene is formed. This reaction is known as nitration of benzene. By reaction plus concentrated HNO3 in presence of concentrated H2SO4 gives nitrobenzene. This is general reaction of nitration of benzene. Here, benzene by treatment of concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene is formed. Here we are looking, hydrogen is a weak electrophile and displaced by strong electrophile like NO2. Mechanism of this reaction. Here you see benzene is a nucleophile because this is unsaturated compound. This is electron rich species, and A plus, this is general representation of electrophile and attacks on electron rich species. And first of all, this is slow step or RDS, formation of carbocation. This carbocation is also known as erinium ion. In first step, nucleophile attacks and with weak electrophile, formation of electrophilic aromatic substitution product. Generally, for example, we are taking example nitration of benzene. In nitration of benzene, benzene is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Nitrobenzene is formed. Mechanism. First step, generation of electrophile. Mechanism. First step, generation of electrophile. In first step, we are looking where is electrophile. HONO2, this is nitric acid, reacts with H2SO4, this is sulfuric acid. Here both are acid, but H2SO4 is treated as acid and HNO3 is treated as a base because acid donates a proton. This is proton donor, so this is acid and this is a proton acceptor. This is a base, and formation of electrophile takes place. This is H2 plus NO2 plus. This is first step of nitration of mechanism. This is mechanism of nitration of benzene. First, generation of electrophile. How can we generate electrophile? Second step, this is attack of electrophile to form carbocation. Here in this step, carbocation is formed plus NO2 plus. This is electrophile, displacement of electron. Here is electromagnetic shift occurs. This is NO2 plus electrophile. This is positively charged, so it will need negatively charged. This is displacement of electron, and NO2 plus attacks on that carbon. This is slow step. This is RDS. This is resonance stabilized. This is rhenium ion or sigma complex formation. This is second step of mechanism. Here in this step, we are looking electrophile attacks on electron-rich species, that carbon, and this is slow step and gives rhenium ion. This is resonance stabilized also. In third step, aromatization step. In third step, aromatization step. Plus HSO4 minus. This is first step. Here HSO4 minus is used as a base and attacks hydrogen. And this hydrogen, by losing hydrogen, here negatively charged is formed, one positive and then one negative, by meeting for a double bond. NO2 plus H2SO4. This is the third step of mechanism of nitration of benzene. Here we are taking a small discussion on kinetic isotopic effect. In nitration, kinetic isotopic effect. Kinetic isotopic effect. In nitration, no kinetic isotopic effect takes place because if we are looking in this reaction C6H6 by concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, second reaction C6D6 by concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Which rate is faster? By explaining kinetic isotopic effect, we can say that nitration of benzene C6H6 and nitration of deuterated nitrobenzene both are same rate. Both are same rate. Here rate is same in case of C6H6 or in case of C6D6 because elimination of hydrogen in first step, so there is no any effect of deuterated benzene. So both in case of both nitration C6H6 and C6D6 rate are same.